Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear chat history on WeChat. Keep watching the video till the end. To clear chat history on WeChat, firstly go ahead and open your WeChat application. The home page of WeChat application will appear on the screen. Click on Me button at the bottom right corner of the page and tap on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of WeChat. Tap on Chat option. On the next page, tap on Clear Chat History. Confirm deleting your chat history by tapping on Clear. This is how you can clear your chat history on WeChat quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.